The internet is a global network of information, people and computers that when connected, interact with each other, exchanging data. There is an infinite of things that can be done on the internet. Sometimes you limit yourself to being on the same boring web pages because you do not know what else to do, but you do not get to size the magnitude of options that are within your reach to perform daily. From searching the meaning of a word until gathering a group of people interested in some special content. If you want to investigate a topic of interest, Google has the answer to many questions. Of course, you have to be careful of the information that you extract from there, since there are many pages with incorrect or misleading messages. Maybe you're planning a trip somewhere and you do not know what to wear, where to stay, what places to visit, or what cultural and/or leisure activities can be done there. With pages like Airbnb, Skyscanner, and Expedia, you can explore and discover new social networks that are also a good option when it comes to finding information and/or promotions of flights, transportation, and even to get discounts that you never could have imagined. If you have a product, brand, or event to share, social networks are a means of great affluence in current times, allowing the distribution of the article in seconds, becoming an ideal platform to generate content and get the attention of the public you are looking for. You can benefit online by learning a language in Duolingo, High Native, Memrise, or develop many skills by doing free online cooking courses, paint, music, etc. Searching Google according to your choice. As you can see, taking advantage of the time spent on the internet with people from all over the world is a question of having imagination and a desire to undertake something new.